cool Cleveland, cool Cleveland card.
We are the CLE card guys.
That's true. Boom! Boombox, baby. We're back with another Boombox video. One of our favorites to do every month. But
the box that booms. Ooh!
It's baseball. It's baseball this time, y'all. We got Bowman's Best from 2021. Bowman Chrome Hobby 2022. Bowman Draft Jumbo 2022, which we have not seen Bowman Draft. Topps Chrome update. So Julio, Witt or bust. Another big Jumby. 2022 Topps Chrome regular hobby, and hopefully, a 35 point. That's cool.
That's the smallest one you've gotten.
Tiny point. Oh crap!
What?
We haven't gotten one of these in any of those. Triple play ticket. Find 1 of 10 triple play tickets, and you could win the following: 10 tickets elite, 10 tickets platinum, 5 mid. The top prizes, we could win a Julio Rodriguez autographed jersey, Austin Riley autographed jersey, or Lou Bob autographed jersey.
Wow.
Whoa. Well,
Alright, well that's fun.
that's cool. There's only 10 people that get these, that get all of Boomboxes.
That's crazy.
I
Exciting.
honestly thought that they just made that up.
I didn't know I was filming with Charlie Bucket over here.
I honestly don't even like go over, like, I don't even like mention the promo things in any of those because I just assume there's no way that we're getting it. Well, that is cool.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
This has treated us well.
Yeah, we're already off to a good start. Let's go ahead and open our hobby Topps update. Gary Sanchez, Eric Fetty, George Kirby, Fidel Brujan. Yeah.
Isn't there a guy named Fetty Wap?
I think so. Isn't that like a rapper or something?
That's what I thought he was.
Yeah.
I wonder if they do like they'll ask what's Fetty's whip? Baseball statistics joke.
Yeah. Probably.
Fans at home.
They probably don't do that.
Probably not. That was not a good joke.
Yelich, this is kind of sticking. Maybe an auto, not an auto, just Austin Riley. And John Means Business. She's not even a rookie in the Topps Chrome. All right, let's move on to the good stuff. All right.
I'm excited for this.
Bowman Chrome 2022, one of our favorite products. I think pretty good hit odds in the Bowman Chrome hobbies. Gallo. Mookie. We got color. Yordani De Los Santos, first Bowman, true purple. Numbered to 250. I'll take that. Take that.
Hey, first Bowman of a hitter.
Yeah.
That is the skin. Well, never mind. I was gonna say on that Phillies player, I was gonna say that is the like tiniest, scrawniest baseball card I've ever seen, and then you topped it with the next card.
Well, let's combat that skinniness with the fat pack.
Hello.
Bowman.
Where have I heard this before?
Yeah.
Nowhere.
All right. How does this work? There's a thicker card in there. I don't know if that's filler or...
Never heard of her.
Okay. These are like collated weirdly. Nate Furman, Cleveland first Bowman. Aloe Vera.
Nice.
I feel like I'll remember like the big names in this if I see one of them. Oh, hey, look. There he is.
PC.
Yeah, guess we PC this guy now. Alvarez.
That's a good name. Oh,
So like, there's like a chunk of these. So these are like all our chrome ones. So, all right, so we'll do that. There we go. Yeah, they put like all the chrome ones backwards, I think. Weird. And then there's just like more paper on the back. Justin Campbell, another Cleveland first Bowman. Blaze. Campos. All right, now we're to our chrome. First Bowman of Mazur. Jared McKenzie, I feel like I've heard of. Maybe. Trevor Martin, first Bowman. Mule. Clark Elliott. So this is like that thick card. Anthony Gutierrez. Heir apparent Mikey Romero. And then Mikey Romero first Bowman and Zavala. And these I believe are just like refractors. Yeah, they're not numbered in Bowman draft. Like they are in regular Bowman. Alright. So nothing out of that first one, which means our second one, hopefully. Alright, no thick cards, no more of those Invictas.
blessing and a curse.
I feel like, again, like if I see one of like the big names, I'll remember it when I see it.
I think so, yeah.
But like I don't remember them off the top of my head. Brian Acuna, that's that other guy's little brother. All right, so flip those back. Saw Harry Ford on there. I know he's pretty good.
He's got a new show coming to Apple TV Plus in 2 days.
Walter Ford. So the Mariners just love the Fords.
All right.
Messick, first Bowman Cleveland guy. Hanson, Mr. Mbop himself. And there you go. Well, he's one of the better prospects in the Cleveland system, but not his first Bowman. I think his first Bowman was in regular Bowman from last year. Prada. Or Johnson. Simon Wan. I think it's either color. I think it might be just an insert.
Look at all the D's and A's in that guy's name. Danny D and Gray.
As if you were playing like Wheel of Fortune,
Oh my god.
last like 2 rounds. Cooper Carpe.
Kirby.
And
Fully loaded.
Blackjack Guardians card. Chase DeLauters, our first round pick. And Justin Campbell. It's a cool Cleveland,
That's a cool card.
cool Cleveland card.
We are the CLE card guys.
That's true. Then Chera and Harry Ford for our refractors. So nothing crazy out of our Bowman drafts. But we did also get that triple play thing. So like, you know,
I feel like that is makes the whole box.
yeah, they probably just gave us all like
You
the
could keep the Boombox for a few more years and never get one of those.
yeah. All right, so this is Bowman's best for 21. So we gotta put our old hats on to remember the rookies. Oh,
Right.
Aus-
Like that.
Austin Martin. Oh, wait, we got Harry Ford on there. Nice. Future Vibrance. Piguero. And finally, Geraldo Perdomo. Refractor? Yep, Refractor.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's anything different about the rest of those. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Different.
Yeah. Perdomo's not bad. Guy that, you know, maybe this is his year. But Bowman's Best I've never opened before, so that was cool to see that. But we did get
Good call, actually. I don't know if I have.
numbered first Bowman, and this blackjack card is very cool, you know, for,
That is really cool.
yeah, for us.
That's one to just hold on to, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fun to put in a binder and keep for years to come. So that's it for Boombox. I guess we'll keep you guys updated on the triple play ticket. So if you see us in a future video wearing a signed Julio Rodriguez jersey, you know what happened.
Hello.
Yeah. Catch you in the next video.